This is a final video to fix Call of Duty MW3 packet burst and packet loss issues. And if your game keeps lagging, freezing, or showing packet burst warnings, you are in the right place. Are you facing sudden lag spikes, rubber banding, or shots not registering in MW3 even with good internet? This problem usually happens because the game cannot get stable data from the servers, your network settings fight with the game, or Windows and the router blocks smooth data flow. Many players panic and try random fixes that only make things worse. If you search on YouTube or social media, you already saw long and confusing videos with too many steps, strange commands, and risky settings that normal players cannot follow. On Rexist, I keep things simple and safe. Now listen carefully, because here is the secret easy trick most people miss. The real fix is not changing everything, but fixing the one network setting that controls how MW3 sends and receives data in real time. When this setting stays wrong, packet burst and packet loss keep coming back no matter how fast your internet is. Once you correct it the right way, the game starts to feel smooth again, hit detection improves, and those red warnings disappear. This works for both wired and Wi-Fi players, and